You gotta let us know. How does it feel?
Like, I don't even know what to say.
Serious.
What's going on, guys? This is G with Touch Bros, and today I have a very special video for you because we are in Austin, Texas right now. We drove 16 hours from Chattanooga for this special day, and we have the opportunity to experience a delivery event of one of the first Cybertrucks outside the delivery event that just happened a few weeks ago. I'm getting really nervous, butterflies everywhere, because I feel like I'm getting my Cybertruck. So super excited. Zach and Ella are going to be the owners of the Cybertruck, which is going to be a Foundation Series all-wheel drive. So we're going to show you. Stay tuned, join us, and can't wait. Let's do it. So guys, they have the Cybertruck right over behind me right there. Zach and the family are kind of getting all the delivery stuff. It's almost the same thing. You put in all your information. Once that's all in, everything's pretty much needed on Tesla's side to be able to do that. They have the confirmed delivery date. It was 3 o'clock. So we're ready, and they're cleaning it right now, actually, kind of getting it prepped and ready to go. So you can see on both sides of the fender, you'll see the Foundation Series etched into the stainless steel. So very cool. It's also interesting because I feel like in the DeLorean, if you look at that stainless steel, it has like that textured, but like a brush look, but this one actually is a lot smoother than it looks. Also found that they also have foundation on the back. So not only do they have the etching on the fenders, they also have it right by the rear hatch.
So surreal.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's like it never gets.
It's like not real.
How long do you think?
I gotta be dreaming right now.
How long do you think it'll take us to get used to this?
Yeah, no, it won't.
Wow. It's exactly the same thing as any other Tesla delivery, and what you do is you can walk around and you have to accept delivery once you get all the paperwork, payment all done. So that's exactly what Zach is doing right now. He's able to kind of inspect all the car, and then once it accepts delivery, it's going to go immediately right into his phone app, the Tesla app, and then he can pretty much drive it off. Look at that, Cybertruck heaven over here. Wow.
Then that's where it is. And if you need a beverage opener, it's right there. It's already in the clip on the right.
Oh, how
A
cool.
little higher.
Oh,
This one?
Yeah.
That's the beverage.
Bottle opener.
That's so fun.
Right?
That's so deep.
Yeah,
Holy
that's,
cow.
That's for a lot of beverages.
Oh, you gotta be so strong to close this.
Oh, wow.
That actually might be the
Emergency release?
That's the emergency release.
Oh, manual release. Wow,
This is actually pretty sharp.
it is sharp.
Sitting there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just walking around.
This is crazy. Oh. What?
Sounds like a Tesla.
You gotta let us know. How does it feel?
Like, I don't even know what to say.
Seriously.
Does it feel good? Like,
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is incredible.
so is the delivery event pretty much the same thing as any other car? Like how you have to do the inspection and then you have to accept delivery? You know?
I accepted.
You already accepted it?
I think I have it. Yeah.
So now you have it on your
I
app now,
couldn't
right?
actually unlock the car until I clicked accept, which seems kind of weird.
That's a little weird. Yeah.
They said they'd be able to handle any issues that came.
Yeah.
You see the Foundation Series?
Yeah, I saw that. That mirror is so funny.
I know, right?
It's so cute. It's so cute. They're kind of getting like a real deep, I guess, like learning with like the Tesla employees, which is super cool. This is what they used to do like in 2002 when I got my Model 3. So very similar. But talking with Zach, the process is pretty much the same. You have to accept delivery, and then apparently you have access to the vehicle on your app, and then you get the keys and all that stuff.
So we are at medium right now.
Wow. All right, he's dropping it. Get low.
Okay, so that's low.
What's entry?
Now, no, I'm going to entry. This is lower. And I'm going to go all the way up to high now. Racing to high. So if I turn right now, is my tires turning?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is These are steer by wire.
Yeah, they're steer by wire.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Man, I don't want to hand this over to you guys to wrap it. I mean,
Take it as long as you want. Seriously, take it as long as you want, man. Wow. We're about to take their first drive back home. It's gonna be so fun. So stoked for them. So stoked. It's just crazy. It still feels unreal. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this delivery event just as much as I did, because that was so much fun. It feels surreal for all of us, I think. So that was super fun. We're gonna go back to our garage and we're gonna get ready. We're gonna give them time. We're gonna get prepped. So make sure you click on the subscribe button. We're gonna have a lot of content around the Cybertruck while we're in Austin, Texas. And stay tuned. Let's get it.